Hey guys, it's Jordan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this side fishtail mermaid braid. Start off by parting the hair to one side. Take a section of hair from the front of the face and divide it into two. Then take a small piece of hair from the outside of the right piece and cross it over and add it into the inside of the left piece. Then take a small piece from the left and cross it over and add it into the inside of the right piece. Then take another small section from the right side, but this time we're going to add in a small new section of hair before crossing them both over and into the inside of the left piece. And then again repeat with the left piece, so take a small section, add in a small new section of hair, and then cross them both over and into the inside of the right piece. And then just repeat those steps to create a French fishtail braid. After a few stitches, stop adding in new hair to the back piece and only add in new hair to the front to create a lace braid. Once the braid is a few inches long, stop adding in new hair to the front and continue just a regular fishtail until the braid is long enough to reach the back of the head. Every so often, I like to go back and carefully pull on the edges of my fishtail to give it some more volume. Once the braid is long enough to reach the back of the head, secure the ends with a clear baby elastic. Take a section of hair from beside where the fishtail started and secure it into a ponytail. Split the ponytail into two and then flip the ends back down through the center to twist the edges. And then go back and carefully pull on the edges of the twist to give it a softer look. Then take a section of hair from each side of the face and pull them into another ponytail just underneath the first one. And again, flip it back down through the center to twist the sides and then pull on the edges to give the twists some more volume. Before going any further, take the sections of hair from in front of the ears on each side and move them out of the way. And then just continue taking sections from each side of the head and securing them into new ponytails, flipping them and pulling on the edges all the way down to the ends of the hair. After a few ponytails, take the fishtail and pull it down through the center of a few of the twists. Once the ponytails reach about the ears, take the sections that we left out at the beginning and curl them back away from the face. Once each section is curled, softly take them back and pull them back down through the twists. And then just repeat those steps all the way down to the ends of your hair, making sure to leave out a few sections as you go and curling them and tucking them in down the braid. At the end of the hair, I decided to go back and curl the end pieces just to give it a little more volume at the bottom. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you recreate this hairstyle, make sure to tag me in your photos at Braids by Jordan on Instagram or Twitter. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!